Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to hide your subscriptions on YouTube. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to easily hide or make private your YouTube subscriptions. Open YouTube and make sure to sign into your account. Now click on your profile photo at the top right. Here scroll down and click on settings and select privacy, and here you will get subscriptions. To hide your subscriptions, all you have to need just toggle this switch on, keep all my subscriptions private, and that's it. Now on, no one will be able to see or view your YouTube subscriptions list. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.